In early March of 2023, I had the privilege to attend a photography workshop in the Faroe Islands, hosted by, who I believe is one of the best photographers on the planet, Mr. Mads Peter Iversen of Denmark. This archipelago, straight out of Norse mythology, is known for its massive cliffs, seascapes, waterfalls, floating lakes, and undeniable beauty. What we experienced this week, however, was much more. With an average temperature of 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, coupled with frequent snowstorms and extreme winds, the search for epic was difficult and dangerous. These are the chronicles of my adventures in the Faroe Islands. Well, good morning, guys. It is the start of day 3. What an epic day yesterday was. Simply incredible. Today we'll be heading out to the island of Kalsoy, which, if you see pictures of the Faroe Islands, it's just an iconic site. It has a lighthouse and perched on top of an amazing mountain. It's going to be a difficult hike to get up there for me. But I'm here and gonna do it and bring you guys the content, so I am looking forward to that. Stay tuned. Hey guys, on my way up to the lighthouse. What a hike it's been already. Look at the scenery though. Say hello to my little sheep friends. And just look at this chaotic ocean. Giant cliffs stretching up into the clouds. Oncoming snowstorm, you can see it. We long since left the car behind. Okay, onwards and upwards. Jesus, I am old and worn out. Hope the mic's picking this up because I don't have time to hook up the lav mic.
That's where I came from, over that ridge. Can't even hardly see the ocean. But there it is, the lighthouse, the destination. I'm this close. This is more of an expedition. Oh. There's an excitement with this. An adrenaline. Not helping me much, but there's adrenaline. Oh. And we're about to get stormed on, so I better make it up there with the rest of the group so we can all be blown away together. Thanks for coming with me, channel. This is not epic. Oh, wow. Back in a bit. Okay, well, made it finally to the lighthouse. Was it worth it? I think so, most definitely so. And so take a look at 3 of my companions out there. Jess and Dan and Mass walked down this sketchy, little skinny, death on both sides walk to get across there to get the shot. Now, are you really a photographer or are you not? I don't think I am. Where my more sane cohorts, Jeff, my British friend, and Reese, my American friend, both with a lot more common sense. Look, the birds are circling them. That means something. Okay? Oh, this view. And how about this over here? Just a tiny little cliff. Oh my gosh. And apparently there's a headstone up there that is James Bond's. So they tell me. I think I'll take their word for it.
Where did they do the bit with Bond, I wonder? It was on this island, wasn't it? I don't know whereabouts it was.
I'm not sure. But what a place.
So many...
It's probably covered up with snow on the way here.
So many digital...
We're going to see people hiking up that way. That would hit the line road as well.
No.
Crazy, crazy. Look at these views. Looking south, just open ocean. I think I can see Texas from here. Oh, maybe not.
It looks warmer.
These North Atlantic seas, wow. Reminiscent of the Drake Passage. Can you see the waves down here? Just incredible. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop and take some photography now. Thanks for joining me. Gatorade break in the most epic place on earth. I say epic a lot. It's a fantastic place. Amazing. I don't know, there's just not enough adjectives to describe this place. See for yourself. See the sea stacks off in the distance there? It may be hard to see on the GoPro, but I caught them with my camera, so I'll show that to you now. Unbelievable. Just beautiful. Okay. I'm going to finish my Gatorade and follow it up with a Twix. And see what the next adventure holds. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I might film a little on the way down if I can.